Right here's a nice little gift that I got for Christmas. One of my favorites, actually. I do a lot of ATVing. So with this DeWALT 50-piece set, 72 tooth ratchet. It's got 1/4 inch drive, SAE, and metric. If you look on the back here, if you can tell, there's 11 6-point SAE and there's 12 6-point metric sockets. What I like so much about this set is you've got a real good variety. You can't see in the camera here, but it does label. Oh, there you kind of can see. It says 1/2 inch, so it's got each of the sizes labeled. I feel like this adapter is actually pretty impressive, but what I really like is the fact that I'm going to keep this in my ATV. See how nice and small this little carrying case is? I've been looking for a while for a nice small kit for the ATV that I can carry, and this DeWALT one, which I got for $25 from Home Depot, does the trick.